Dear Professor, my name is Qinbolun. The thesis topic is research on the relationship between leadership, style preference, and employees' job involvement, taking company H as an example. Here is the agenda. About the abstract, high-quality development has become the proportions of China's national strategy. At the present stage, small and mid-sized scientific and technological innovation enterprises in the growth stage need high-quality development, so they are bound to need high-quality talents. At present, the new generation of employees between 20 and 30 years old are the main force and the main source of power for the high-quality development of enterprises. However, due to the differences in growth experience, environment, and personal values, many enterprise managers have doubt about the management model of the new generation of employees at this age. Therefore, how to effectively improve the work input of the new generation of employees between 20 and 30 years old from the perspective of leadership. It is an urgent problem for managers of small and medium-sized scientific and technological innovation enterprises to solve. In 2021, the fifth five-year plan for SME development, which was published by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, has made it clear that China's SMEs need to improve their quality of development by 2025, and their innovative capacity and professional level will be comprehensively improved. Meanwhile, the development strategy of China's government is to promote the high-quality development personnel. Nowadays, the new generation's work is the main force of labor. It is the source of high-quality personnel in an enterprise. And an important component, the new concept, technique, and knowledge are the key factor for the enterprise to develop high quality. Here is the research background. Based on the leadership model, the author makes an parallel analysis of the influence of three kinds of leadership styles on the work commitment of the new generation, and give some advice on how improve, promote, and optimize the leadership style from position, power, job, and member relation. Here's research objectives. Firstly, this is supplement the study on influence of SMI on the investment of new workers so as to realize high quality development. Secondly, based on the local conditions in China, this paper analyzes the influence of three kind of leading styles: authoritarian, inclusive, humble, and so on the one hand and on the other. Here's the review of study undertaken. A theoretical and conceptual framework. Here is about the research methodology. The population. In order to reduce the division of the command method, 3 rounds of questionnaire survey were conducted for respondents, and the results of the 3 rounds of questionnaire were compared. If all 3 questionnaires were filled in effectively, the respondents were deemed to have answered the questionnaire with a serious attitude, and the data could be confirmed to be true and effective. Finally, the questionnaires of employees aged between 20 and 30 were extracted in the background, and the samples were finally regarded as valid sample questionnaires. In order to eliminate the psychological barriers of the new generation employees, all employees of companies participated in the survey. 100 companies participated in the survey because of the restructuring, so the questionnaire was finally distributed to 168 employees. Here is the variables and the instrument I used during the investigation. And about the validity and reliability of my research, the method of stratified random sampling is used in sample selection so that the sample coverage is broad and representative, and the veracity and the validity of a sample are increased using a comparatively measured questionnaire to investigate a study to make sure that the data will not be destroyed by the abnormal factors, and the detailed data can be screened by the platform to guarantee the validity and reliability of the data. And this is the hypothesis summary. Some discussion. I just give the abstract countermeasures and suggestion for improving the work input of the new generation of employees in company age, and the enhanced social responsibility and strengthen industrial chain integration. And here are some contributions. First of all, studying the characteristic of the new generation of employees of each company is the premise to solve the problem of employees' work input that hinders the company's development, and also the basis for each company to achieve its strategic objectives. And also there is a limitation of my thesis due to the certain limitation in the collection of data, the comparative analysis between the business participant is not subtle enough. This study is still a preliminary exploration, and inadequacy of the study is the direction of further research in the future. And here are part of my references. Okay, thank you for listening.